Today I'm going to show you how I made this tiny little conifer tree, so stick around and enjoy. This is really the first time I'm using this flower or bush. This is from a flowering bush of a neighbor, and I saw these a couple of years ago and thought, wow, that looks like a great option for a conifer tree. And it is, as long as you're working with just tiny little conifers, because the trunk otherwise is a little too small. But I finally got an opportunity to do it here when I had this contract from a magazine stylist, and I can't mention who it is or what the article details are yet because it hasn't been released, but that'll be coming out soon. So we start with just trimming up the main tree a little bit here first and decide on the shape, and then I decided to take a few of the other pieces off because, like most bushes, the branching, the small branching, only grows on one side, the side toward the sun, right? And the underside doesn't have branching on it. So I actually did put a little bit, just a tiny bit of glue there, and then added a few more of these little branches on to kind of fill out the tree. This is a bit of a painstaking process here, and you want to use very little glue with pieces that are this small. And so it took some time to get all of those additions on there, branches, the way I wanted them. Well, of course, you know the process if you've watched some of my other videos. Now that we've got the branches where we want them, it's time to take it over and give it a little spray glue so we can start putting on the greenery. I'm using my tweezers that I designed and 3D printed to help hold on to the tree here. I decided with this I don't want all the greenery down in the middle on the trunk, and so I tried just kind of dabbing the tree to get those outer edges and outsides of the branches with the greenery. And once I had that started pretty good, then I picked it up and continued putting the greenery on it. With this being such a tiny little tree, it didn't take a whole lot. Most of the work on this one was gluing the extra branches on. So drop a few more pieces on there and we are done with this little pine tree. Thanks for watching.